know, Shawty, do you notice me? Shawty, you should roll with me. I'm over and smoke with me. Okay, so we go to sleep. Just walk it all of me.
Y'all, this video about to be a hot mess a little bit. Alright, so don't judge me anyways. Enjoy, okay? Look at my baby sister. Anyways, enjoy. Anyways, you would need gel. I like to use this gel, you know, because it's my favorite. On my face is itching. Then you're going to need some leave-in conditioner. You don't really need it, but I prefer to use it because it's kind of good and it keeps it held together and stuff. So I got the Cantu one. Then you're going to need a brush, something to do your edges with, a comb, some water / a spray bottle or whatever. Mine's broken, and like a pick or something to detangle and, you know, make it big or whatever. Yeah, you know what I mean. Anyways, that's what you're gonna. Oh, and some barrettes to put in your hair for like accessories and stuff like that. But yeah, those are the main things. Alright, so I'll put a boomerang or whatever, a picture or whatever of the hairstyle I'm doing if I remember to, or whatever. But if I don't, you'll see at the end. So let's try this again. Step 1. What? No. First, you also gonna need hair ties. I forgot to mention that. Anyways, alright, so first I'm gonna part my hair. Ow, my hair got stuck. Ow. By the way, my baby sister in here and she's making noise. Alright, if I turn this way, it's because I'm looking at my mirror because I can't do this in the phone. Helping her, and he has stated that their relationship was really good and he was this really positive person in her life. They did fight quite a bit. They mainly fought over their finances, but overall just kind of had an unhealthy relationship. Bro, if you see glitter on my body or on my hair, bro, don't even mind it. It's okay. And on October 18th of 2004, Amy gave birth to their son, Timothy James Pitson, in Aurora. I would play music in the background. I'm not trying to catch no copyright problems. I don't got time for that. Like, no. I'm barely a YouTuber, okay? I'm just trying it. I'm gonna come back when I have both of them, when I have my hair parted. Okay, so I got it parted. Now I'm gonna put one away, put one side in the ponytail or whatever. And this was just absolutely terrifying to Amy, and I'm sure many of you can imagine. And the hairstyle is done? No. Alright, so now we have to detangle this snappy mess. Look at this, bro. Look at this. I know you lying, like, no, this not it. If your hair looking this snappy, you need to get it fixed. Like, no. Like, I know you lying. No. No. But I'll be back after I detangle this side. Okay, okay. Okay, so I detangled about an hour and a half west of Aurora where they lived. So 3 days. No, nigga. Anyways, I detangled this, so now it's all good. I'm gonna do this side, and we're gonna get into the hairstyle. Okay. Okay, so I detangled both sides of the hair of my hair. I said the hair of my hair. So now we can get into the actual tutorial. I'm bobby pinning the back of my hair so Luke's hair won't get on the other side or whatever. At 11:15, she checked into the Rockford Inn Hotel in Rockford, which is 20 minutes east of Winnebago, where she was seen at the dollar store and the grocery store. Brush that back. Brush it back. Hey, brush it. Brush it back. Alright, so first thing first, I'm gonna reel it. What? Where's my comb? Alright, so we gonna take this comb, right, and we gonna make a triangle for the braid. But I'm gonna do this over here in the mirror. Actually, let's see if I can put it over here. Y'all wanna see my baby sister? Say hey, Kira! Timothy also had a backpack with him originally, and the backpack has never been found. Amy's car was found parked in the parking lot of the Rockford Inn. They weren't able to locate any of Timothy's Okay, thanks for making a cameo, Kira.
It almost seemed like he was handed off, and this made the police start to think that Timothy really was.
Okay, back to the. Alright, so I'm about to make it. About to put.
So she took him without a car seat, but the toys, the clothes, the backpack, everything else was gone. I mean, there was no trace of Timothy. So when investigators started to look at the car, they noticed that it was really.
Alright, anyways, I'm about to make the triangle part, but I'm gonna put this in the fast part, so you won't have to watch me struggle, I guess. Whatever sense that makes. Or I could just. Alright, so I did the braids off camera because I'm on storage, so look at that. Okay, now we're gonna do the next part. Do this ponytail. First, pick it out. You know, just detangle it again. Make sure it's nice and good and detangled. Then I do take this water.
Boy, if you
And put it around here. Or oil. Oil would be better, but you know, just water. Alright, so now I'm gonna apply gel to this and slick it down as good as possible. And as I'm trying to slick it down, also I'm gonna add some of this just to help it slick it down. So let's get into that part. I broke my freaking hair tie. Why? Okay, move. Gotta get a new hair tie. Alright, so I got this side down. It's not gonna look that big, but look. My eye. It's decent now. I might redo it because, you know, that's always happens. So, put this out my way and go on this side. Okay, so I put my hair in a ponytail. Now we're gonna do these edges and put the little clips in, and that's gonna be the finishing touch. So let's get to this. Let's look at it later. Anyways, okay. Okay, so I took a boomerang of the finishing look, but here's a video of it. So okay, so I took a boomerang of the finishing look, but here's a video of it anyways. And edges, period. Well, I'm gonna do a slow-mo video of it. But thank you for watching. Okay, this turned out pretty good, and this took a lot of editing, but it was very funny. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed it. But thank you for watching, and I'll be back, I guess. But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Everything is in the description. If you want to see more, let me know. You know, I got you. But anyways, I'm out. Hope you enjoyed. Okay, bye.